Very good morning to my dear students, learners, and viewers. Today, once again, I have appeared before all of you. Today itself, I have appeared along with a poem so called The Rainbow, written by William Wordsworth. The first and foremost, let me tell you something about the poet William Wordsworth. You know, William Wordsworth was born on 7th April 1770 and he died on 23rd April 1850. He was a very revolutionist, romantic, towering poet. He has written many poems. Basically, William Wordsworth connects human being to nature. He gives a much more emphasis on the language of common people and the life of human being who lives in the countryside. So today you come to the poem The Rainbow. So poem is like that. My heart lifts up when I behold. First line. My heart lifts up when I behold. That means my heart becomes very happy, jumps with happy when I behold. Behold means when I see the rainbow in the sky. A rainbow in the sky, so was it when my life began. Here the poet gives when my life began, it was in the sky. So is it now I am a man, and it is same in the sky. Now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old, and it will be same in the sky when I will be an old. Or let me die after my death, there is no any change in the rainbow. It is a tit for tat. The child is a father of the man. Here the same child behold the rainbow. There is no modification. The man, the child became man, it is the same. When the child become old, there is no change in the rainbow. The child will die, even then there is no modification in the rainbow. And I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity. So here the poet gives a much more emphasis on the natural beauty and the activities of child. So child becomes a man, child becomes old, child dies by becoming old, but there is no any modification in the rainbow. Here the poet has given some poetic device, personification. Personification, my heart lifts up. Then paradox. Paradox means controversial. child is father of man. An anaphora, poetic device anaphora. So anaphora, you can say repetition, so and so and so, and so many times so has come. So in this way the poet has described the rainbow very vividly, and the nature of man, nature of the boys. There is no any modification in the rainbow. But when my life began, here the poet says, a child's life began, he beholds the rainbow, becomes very happy, started dancing to see the rainbow. The same child has become a man, and again he sees, beholds the rainbow, and he becomes very happy. The same child has become old, and when he beholds the rainbow, there is no modification. Again he becomes very happy, and the child, same child has become old or die, but there is no any modification in the rainbow. So here the poet gives some poetic devices like a personification, anaphora, paradox, and a metaphor. So really this is a very nice poem, very small poem, but you can say the poet has put in this poem, गागर में सागर भरा है, और वह बच्चा जब छोटा था रेनबो देखता था, बहुत खुश होता था, जब बड़ा हुआ वही देखता है स्काई में, खुश होता है, जब बूढ़ा हो जाता है देखता है, खुश हो जाता है, मर जाता है. But there is no any modification in the rainbow. So here child is father of man, paradoxical. My heart lifts up when I behold the rainbow. Here personification, so has come repeatedly many times. So you can say here repetition or anaphora. So this is the short poem, my dear students, my dear viewers, and you must have understood. Here the poet has given much more emphasis the activities of a child and the nature. Here the poet connects human being with nature. With these words I have explained this poem, a small poem, but this poem gives a lot of meaning, my dear viewers, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Again I will highlight another poem, so just let me give some time.